Number 11. We need to be able to divide this polynomial by 3x plus 5. So we just need to do the long division. We have 6x to the fourth plus 16x to the third plus 4x squared minus 4x plus 25. One of the key things is you need to make sure that you check to make sure that you're not missing any exponents. We have 4, 3, 2, the x, and then the constant. If you are missing an x squared, you need to leave some space by placing a 0x squared. But in this case, that's not the case for this problem. Outside we have a 3x plus 5. And now we're going to start the long division, the division. What do I need to multiply 3x to get 6x to the fourth? Will be 2, and how many more x's do I need? I need 3 more. Then multiply it out, gives me 6x to the fourth, and that gives me a positive 10x 3. Now we're going to subtract, so therefore I'm just going to change the signs and add, and that gives me 6x to the third power. Bring down your next number, plus 4x squared. What do I need to multiply 3x to get 6x to the third? Will be a positive 2x squared. Multiply it out. Remember that you need to multiply by both of them, not just by one. So it gives me a 6x to the third, and that gives me a positive 10x squared. I'm going to subtract, so therefore I'm just going to change the sign and add. That gives me a negative 6x squared. Bring down your next number, which will be a negative 4x. What do I need to multiply 3x to get negative 6x squared? Will be a negative 2x. And multiply it out, gives me a negative 6x squared minus 10x. I'm going to subtract by changing the signs and adding. Last will be to bring down your 25. Positive 25. And that gives me, what do I need to multiply 3x to get 6x? Gives me a positive 2. Gives me a 6x, and that gives me a positive 10. I'm going to subtract, and that will give me a positive 15. So it'll be positive 15 by 3x plus 5. Now, one of the things that you want to do, which I should have done, as I go through the process, you want to make sure. So once you go through 2x to the third, that's okay. So far, so good. The next one is positive 2x squared. And I know it's not B or C. Now, in case, if you don't get a 2 on the next step, you know that you did something wrong, so you can go back and check. But in this case, your answer will be letter A.